Hello, UCAR. Peter Christensen here, coming to you from the CEO's desk. I actually look like a lawyer today. I don't know what's going on. Welcome. So it's January. We're still talking about the basics. We're talking about the REPC. Thought I'd start from the beginning because it's a very good place to start. So I hear. So earnest money. Where's the default place to put earnest money in the REPC? It's in the buyer's brokerage, right? Buyer's brokerage trust account. But what if you have a buyer who would like it to be put into a title company's trust account instead? Can you do that? Is that legal in Utah? Sure. There's probably a grand debate to be had over which you prefer, but that's not what we're going to talk about today. So if you're going to do that, remember, you have to amend the contract, right? Because the contract actually says it is going to be put into the brokerage trust account. So you've got to do that. Now, some have asked why. Why does it matter? Well, this is the seller's security. So the seller actually gets a say in where it goes. So the buyer, if they're going to change where it goes, they actually have to get permission from the seller to say, yeah, I'm going to amend the contract, put it into someplace different, a title company, say, and I got to get your permission, and hopefully you agree to that. So remember that. And because of Utah law, we talked about this in a prior podcast, because of the way Utah law is written, if there is a state-created form, then realtors have to use it unless their clients produce a attorney-generated form in the alternative. So in this case, there is now, as of last year, I think it was, well, maybe it's a year and a half because now we're just in January. That always messes me up. So the division came up with the earnest money in a title company addendum to the REPC. So now you would actually have to use that one. You don't get to make up your own anymore or have your brokerage have one produced. So be aware of that. Use that form if you're going to change where the earnest money goes. Kind of a simple concept today, but one that's important to understand because I've seen it just written in the contract. Where will it be? They'll just write in title company. I don't know that that's sufficient to amend the contract and get the seller sign off to say, yeah, we agree to not have it go to the brokerage account. You just have competing terms in there now. You've got one saying it'll go to the brokerage account, and you have handwritten in there that it's at ABC Title Company. So be careful, do it right, get the proper paperwork in order if you are going to change that, and you should be good to go. Thanks for tuning in.